Hi guys, it's Damon here
Hi.
from Kepler's Clockworks. Today we're going to be making a marshmallow blaster that
Say
shoots
what?
the
A
miniature
marshmallow
marshmallows that you
blaster?
can get at the store. With this video, you'll be able to make about 4 of them for $10.
I only got 2 arms.
Here you can see the first test fire. So I'm loading in the mini marshmallow. It's important to use the mini marshmallows for these. You get a lot more in a pack. It's about $1 for a big pack of them. You can see it shoot out there.
Did you hear that?
Next up here, I'm going to talk about some of the things that you need to purchase in order
With
to make your
money.
marshmallow blaster.
Listen up.
Number one are going to be these half-inch. First of all, everything in your kit is going to be half-inch PVC, Schedule 40. So these are half-inch PVC tees. It's about $4 for a 10-pack of those. Next are the half-inch PVC Schedule 40 socket caps. Those they sold individually for about 61 cents a piece. Next are the half-inch PVC Schedule 40 90-degree elbows. It's about $3.40 for a 10-pack of those. And then a 10-foot length of half-inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe. A 10-foot length of that is about $5. And then you'll need some PVC cutters, a measuring tape,
ammo.
and some marshmallows, and a beautiful child. Here we're going to start measuring and cutting the PVC lengths that we need. So you'll need 5 3.5-inch pieces. So here I am. I'm just using my PVC cutter. It makes it go really easily. You could use a hacksaw. It would just take a little bit longer. So what you do is you'll cut that first one to length, and then you can use that to measure out the remaining 4 that you need. So you can see I'm just kind of doing that, marking it. These are not, they don't have to be exact, but it will make your blaster look nicer if you can get them all to be the same.
Can I help yet?
So my kids asked me if we could make some of these yesterday, and I said on my way home,
the kids' idea.
I can pick up some stuff to do it. So it turns out our new neighbors have some of those Orby blasters, so we couldn't send our kids over there empty-handed. So
I got 2 hands.
They have marshmallow blasters to answer back, and these they blast marshmallows pretty far. I do have to remind the kids to not eat their ammunition.
What's that you just said?
Okay, so here we're going to cut a piece that's going to be 5 inches in length.
I haven't got to help yet.
This will be the actual part that you blow into. And the last piece that we'll cut is this 8-inch length right here. This is going to be for the barrel of the blaster.
I'll have 1 10-foot barrel, please.
Okay, guys, the hard part is all finished. Now it's time to take the pieces and assemble them together to make your marshmallow blaster.
Ooh, I'm a really good
assembler. So you can see here we've got our 5 pieces that we cut to 3.5 inches, 1 piece that we cut to 5 inches, and 1 piece that we cut to 8 inches. And then we have our tees, elbows, and caps. So we're going to start out here with a 3.5-inch piece and a cap. And we're going to fit those together. All of these can be press-fitted together, or you can use a little mallet to put those together. So we're going to take another 3.5-inch piece, and we'll put a cap on that. So we should have 2 3.5-inch pieces, each with a cap. Next, we'll take one of the tees, and we'll put a 3.5-inch piece into that. You can see I'm kind of pounding it together. You could use a mallet also. And then what we'll do here is we're going to take another 3.5-inch piece, put it in the other end of the tee, kind of pound that together. Next, we will take a 90-degree elbow, and we're just going to press fit that onto the end here. So just like that. So you should look like that so far here. Next up, we're going to put on the, it looks like I'm just twisting things a little bit to try to get things nice and straight. But next here, we're going to put the 3.5-inch piece on the top of that tee.
I'm bored.
And then we'll put an elbow there facing towards the back of the blaster. This is going to be the piece that you blow into that we're assembling here. So there's a 5-inch piece of PVC. We cut one of those. So that is going to go at the top here, just like that. That'll be the piece that you blow into. So it should look just like that. Next, we'll take the last of the tees, and we're going to just fit it onto the end here just like this, and kind of pound things together there.
I know how to use a hammer.
Just kind of straightening things out a little bit. everything press fits together really well. You shouldn't need to use any PVC glue or anything like that. So this is kind of just like putting a puzzle together here. Once you get to this point, you can kind of figure out what pieces go where. So I just took one of the 3.5 inch pieces with a cap, put it on the end there on the elbow, and then I put the other one on underneath the T at the end, just like that. And the last piece here, you can kind of guess where that goes. That is going to be the barrel of the blaster. So again, just like putting a puzzle together. Just like that. I do like to clean the PVC really well before we use these because you are going to be putting your mouth around it. It is the same PVC that's used for drinking water in many homes. So here what I'm doing is I'm going to put a piece in. What I noticed is that a lot of the marshmallows were falling back into the handle, the rear handle of the blaster. So what I'm doing here is I just removed the back handle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plastic bag over that opening there. And then I will press fit on the handle. So what it will do is it's going to just create a barrier there so that the marshmallows won't be able to fall back into the handle. So just like that. And then what I'll do is you can cut this off, but I find that if you just kind of pull it down, that works okay as well. And then it will just hold itself in there by pressing it all together. So you can see there I've got the rest of the bag pulled off, and that will just create a barrier to keep the marshmallows from falling back into the handle of the blaster. So I'm pushing down right now. This actually works really well to line things up on the blaster. So here we go with another test fire. Just taking in the mini marshmallow here, and all you do is just load it right into the top there. And you just need to stick it in far enough so that it's not sticking out. And then you just wrap your lips right around that. Find a target.
Wrap my lips around that.
And you can see the blaster shot it out there at the car. So that was slowed down.
You missed me.
But my car was about 20 feet away in that.
20 feet,
so
that's
you can
far.
tell that they do end up blasting pretty far. I hope you guys enjoyed making these marshmallow blasters as much as we did.
Can I help now?
If you could, it'd really help me out if you're able to give me a like and a subscribe.
Do it now.
I'll try to release more videos like this in the future. And this is your friendly reminder, do not eat your ammo.
I ate it.